In earlier video we saw a subcontract DC has been made for a job work sales order number 25. In this video we assume that item is coming back and we have to invert that item. Go to Material Invert, click Create New GRN, RDC based. Select RDC number. Just enter supplier DC number. Select the incoming item code, quantity and update. That's all. A goods receipt note has been quickly created. If you revisit the sales order report, you can see that GRN has been accounted for. You can also see the stock has been added now. simpliRP is the simplest way to manage your organization. Thank you.